Hello.
We went to the fresh market here in Rayong.
Chunburi.
Ay, nasa Chunburi na pala kami. Nasa Pattaya. Ay, Chunburi. So,
in the province or district?
District.
A district of Chunburi. Sa Mesan. So, magla-life hacks tayo.
There's so many boats here.
Okay, let's go. Let's see what we can buy from the fresh market. Lots of boats.
What's that floating in the sea? The red and blue one.
That's a big ball. Nice.
I hope we can ride one, Mommy.
Is that for riding? It's for fishing. Let's go.
I want to fish.
Wow,
When you grow up.
Tahong. Tahong. Wow. Gusto mo niya? Pero hindi siya naliit. 100 baht. Only 50 baht. For hand. Yes, squid. They look like crabs.
What are these, Mommy?
Daddy, yung lalaki ng tahong.
What are these?
Crabs.
Crabs.
Let's go, let's go.
What? Mommy, you know how much is the crabs? 500.
400. Ah, there, I love it. Shells, Daddy. Gusto ko yun. Tatlong kilo. Sandaan. Huh? Yeah. Jadi pwede siyang ipaluto. Pwede siya ipaluto. Pwede siya ipaluto. Ayun, Daddy, oh. 308, 200, 380. Oh, yeah. This one. 60 lahat? Ani Lola เหรอคะ ตัวละว้าว per piece 60 บาท
สุราษฎร์แท้นะพี่ ถ้าเป็นเวียดนามตัวยาวนะคะ อันนี้มันได้มาแค่นี้หนูเลยขาด60 บาทไม่ได้ทุนนะเนี้ยทุนมาไม่ได้นะ60บาทพี่2 4 6 8 12 13 ตัว600ไม่ได้ฟรี3 ตัว
Let's go
ของดีนะคะ
Oh, may mas mura ang shrimp dito, 220 lang. Pero mas maliliit.
ดูก่อนได้ครับอันนี้2 โล 400 ได้พี่สแกนได้เลยครับ
Ah, pwede mag-scan dito. Dami ding locals na nagtitinda. Mga dried, ano naman siya. Dried things. Let's go over there. Oh, mostly crabs and shrimp. 400, 500 per kilo. Wow.
Can we look for
Dried squid, anak.
You cooked that already, Michelle.
Yeah. Oh, Daddy. This is only 200, 300. Let's go, anak. Let's go, go, go. Wow.
Mommy, this real rice?
Yeah.
ได้นะคะ
These are bigger. Hindi ko alam eh. Walang price. Bigger kasi siya. Ah? Alat? 400. 320. That's for eating, anak. You will buy them and they will cook it for you.
Don't go yet. I want to look at you. Whoa!
This one.
It's a bowl.
You're using dalawang batuta. Tara na po.
What's this next? No, I'm not asking that. Where is this next?
Ate is so tangchay about this. Hey! So we bought some crabs and then shrimp and then ayun, tahong ni Carla. Yeah, look! Yay! Look at that. Oh, dami! Nakaka-excite na kumain. Let's go! Let's have a mukbang, okay?
I'm just gonna eat fried rice.
Me, how about the shrimp?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's have mukbang, okay?
Okay.
Yay! This is it, this is it! Look at that! This is it! Ako na magtaklog. Look! So that's it. Let's see later. So there we go. We went to the market. And the good thing is, iniihaw na rin nila and ini-steam na rin nila. So, babalik na kami sa hotel to have a mukbang. See you later!
Can you tell when it's hot, guys? It describes you like
Yeah, it was hot there in the market. Of course, anak, they don't have air conditioner. So, ayun. I think this is the best thing na nangyari dito sa amin dito sa Rayong. For only around 750 baht. Meron kaming crab,
the brown boat
may
is
tahong,
almost like bubbling.
may shell. Ano bang shell yun? Hindi ko alam. It's the mussel, anak. And then we have, what else? Hipon, and then may squid. So, let's see.
I'm allergic to squid, guys.
I'm excited.
If you're allergic to squid. I'm allergic to squid.
Pareho na kayo, ano? And then may free pa silang mga sausawan. That's the best thing. Bakit ngayon lang last day na? Okay, bye-bye! See you next. Mukbang. Yeah! Shrimp. Then we have these shells. And then pineapple. We have these crabs. And this. The tahong ni Carla na madidilaw. So, ayan. This will be our lunch for today. Let's start mukbang. Crab. We have this crab.
Nom, nom, nom.
Nom 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 daw. And then my favorite, tahong ni Carla. Hipon and what is this? I don't know what is this. Pero masarap. It's kind of salty. Maano mo talaga yung lasa ng dagat. Yung lasa ng dagat. So, kamayan tayo this time. I wanna start with a crab. Mamaya na eh. Hoop! Ay, wala kang plato.
Thank you.
Say subo anak. Ay, but you have to eat this first. Ganyan daw yun. Sabi, you need to eat the, what do you call this? Sipit. Bago daw kayo kumain. ng ano, crab. Wala akong lagayan ng
Từ nhé.
Ayun na.
I'm gonna drink. Dad.
Sarap. So we drive like 30 minutes going there and then 30 minutes coming like. Sulit. Sulit yung driving. Then we have pusit. Let's taste the ulo. Paborito ko ang ulo. Then we have this spicy sausawan.
Get a spring and then get it pepper. See, here.